Hi ladies, I'm Dominica Westling, fitness and bikini model here in beautiful Miami, and today I'm going to show you some exercises to get a round butt and also some sexy thighs. So the first one we're going to do is going to be a wide squat with a dumbbell between the legs. It really targets the inner thighs, and let's just go until it burns. You should be burning a little bit by now. So when you do a squat, it's important that you first sit your butt back, almost like you're sitting down in the chair. You also don't want your knees to come past your toes in front. Don't want to put too much pressure on those knees. And put pressure on the booty, right? Wow, my thighs are burning. So after you do as many of those as you can, ideally about 20 to 30 reps is good for the warm-up. We're going to move on to the next exercise. So next, we're really going to burn out those thighs and booty by doing some hopping lunges. It's going to look like this. If you're a beginner, you can hold on to something for support so you don't lose your balance. So get ready. We're going to go here until it burns as well, and go. My legs are burnt out. So continue until you're completely burnt out. I get burnt out pretty fast. And now we're going to move on to the next one. So after those hopping lunges, take a few seconds to catch your breath. And then we're going to move on to some forward lunges until we really burn those legs out. It's going to look like this. Also here, like the squats, you want the weight on your heels. You also don't want your knee to go past your toes. So weight on the heel and not past your toes here. Weight on the heel and stop right here. Keep on going until it really burns. Stay with me. I'm starting to burn. Hope you are too. Let's get a couple more. This is how you're gonna see results. Really push yourself. Let's do 2 more. Good job. So we're gonna finish off this workout, but burning out those thighs and booty a little extra. We're gonna do some jumping squats. So we're gonna get really low, hold for about 2 seconds, and then jump up. Explode as far as you can. Let's go all out here. Try and touch the ceiling or the sky. Keep it going. A few more. I'm all burnt out. So that's what you need to do to really see results. Really gotta push yourself. Diet pills don't work. So you're gonna build those lean, sexy muscles. So that was a workout you can do for your butt to get it round and also to get sexy toned thighs. You can do it at home or you can do it in the gym. So again, thank you for joining me today. I'm Dominica Westling. If you like this workout, please like below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe.